with my DJI OSMO Pocket, and I thought I would do a little bit of footage while at the same time popping into the computer zone to get a couple of things I need. So I'm not expecting this, the volume and the sound to be very good from the videos I've already seen, but that's one of the reasons I'm here upstairs and getting adapted to use an external lapel mic. So come with me and let's see what this footage is like. I've noticed is that it gets warm very fast. Not as warm as my action cameras get, but maybe they have more cooling inside. And let's keep going. Okay, so let's see how that goes. I now have the mic plugged into the lapel. Let's see if you can see that there on the other camera. And let's see if the sound is any better. Going to run the battery all the way down in this test and then recharge on the fly. Just test that out. So far so good to control. The camera is very small in the hand, but massive problem. My intent is to usually mainly use it for I guess what you call the vlogging, and use my other cameras independently to get wider angle, longer range. And my dolly shots. Hi. I think I bought this one from 2 to 3. 3 to 2. Yeah. The adapter. This one. I think I got this here. Maybe a few weeks. Okay, thank you. Okay, one of the problems with places like this, when you find something you like and you go back to get another one, you can never remember where you bought it. And they only know about the things that they actually have in stock. Okay, so that will do it for now. Had one of the things that I was after, so hopefully that's working and the sound is coming through better. But other than that, I'm going to now go down to Kennedy Town and have a look in there. Mic's actually working. 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2. Difference when I disconnected. 1, 2. Okay, so the traffic's really bad. So what I've done is I've converted down to iGamer. It's another little niche arcade with a whole bunch of gaming stuff for people. It's at little shops. And it's a little hidden out of the way place that most people don't know about. So let's have a look through iGamer. Okay, so that's a quick look around iGamer. That's enough to do a good first-person test of the camera. And I guess I'll get outside somewhere and try and do some panoramic or time-lapse shots right now.
Addiction.
Everywhere.
Yeah, crazy. Let's take a selfie while we are doing that, because we are also filming there, you see.
Oh, you're nice. I got the new OSMO Pocket.
Yeah, and we have the big thing there. You saw the guys.
Oh, nice.
They're filming real. But let's take a selfie. Let's take this background. Now, show me your Osmo and the GoPro. Perfect.
Sweet, mate.
See you, man.
Have a great holiday. Okay, so is it the be-all and end-all of phones? No, absolutely not. But it is an absolute game changer. That you can have such a great little package in such a small little device is it's a new step, and it's going to change how we look at cameras, or at least action-type cameras. There are some things that were included which aren't there, and I'm also more than happy with what is there for the price. It definitely won't change or won't replace some of my other cameras that I use, but it will absolutely fit into my suite of cameras and devices that I use very nicely. Portability-wise, it is absolutely awesome. I am enjoying every minute of using it. So peace out, and see you in the next video.